A contact page is a great place to add a contact form, hours of operation, and additional contact information to your site. To get started, go to the Pages menu and click the plus icon. Choose Page Layouts and select Contact. Here you'll see a few layout options to get you started. Select one, add a title for the page, for example, Contact Us, and press Enter. You can always change this later. Edit the page and click the pencil icon on various blocks to replace the placeholder content with your own. You can also add any blocks you'd like to include here and arrange them however you'd like. Some good blocks to add here might include a social links block, or a map block if you're a business and you want to display your business address. Form blocks allow your customers to get in contact with you. All form blocks need at least one storage option linked in the Block's Storage tab to make sure the messages have someplace to go. Let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.